everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. I ordered these pegboard hooks from Amazon. And now it was time to decorate the pegboard. So for that I am using these 3 flat cardboards which I am going to paint using white acrylic color. Now for all the ends of these cardboards, I am going to paste strips of white color paper. And this was the outlook of the shelves. After that, I also painted all the organizers and some other hooks using white acrylic color. And now arranging all the organizers one by one in all the hooks. And now placing the cardboard shelves. And then I started keeping all the craft supplies in all organizers. I am also keeping some decorative stuff in the middle. I am using these long white hooks for hanging my color pens, sketch pens, sellotape, scissors and some electronic devices. On the right side of two pegboards, I am hanging this cute white basket and placing this cute plant in it. Now to decorate the border of the pegboard and also the wire of this light, I am going to use these creepers. So now I am doing a DIY. I am just writing the word create on the piece of cardboard. And then I am going to cut it out and paint it using acrylic colors. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to see the next part of this vlog. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.